Eli, good morning. Good morning. We started this chat from Milan to Tel Aviv. Eli Leshem Levisky. Is it right, the name? Can you pronounce it?
It's actually, the original name is Leszczyński, which is a Polish name, the origins of my family, but currently it's Leshem.
First of all, present yourself, Eli. Present yourself. You are the one of the superheroes of the mobile journalist community because you are a developer of a great app that is called Autocap.
So thank you very much. I'm Eli. I'm a developer. I developed an app on Android currently called Autocap. I'm working very hard to bring it to iOS very soon, and it adds captions, animated captions, or basic subtitles to video automatically. We use voice recognition to transcribe the audio, and the automatic voice recognition is far from 100%. The user can fix it and edit it and save the video.
So it's an Autocap is an app that with a lot of making an operation that is very, very expensive on the matter of time for video makers and for mobile journalists because subtitling, you have always to do, if you don't use situations like YouTube or something like that to subtitle automatically, you always have to spend a lot of time to put the phrases, the sentences, one after the other at the bottom of your video. In which way did it start your project? Can you tell the story of the project of Autocap and your story, your personal story?
Well, basically, I'm a developer. I studied computer science already 20 years ago, and afterwards I went to study film and television as a director and a writer. Eventually, I went back to the computer world and worked as a developer, but mostly around video technologies. I had one startup that already failed in this field, and about 2 years ago, I came up with this idea. And it took a few more months till I started developing it, and it's out on the Google Play Store for already almost 5 months. It's getting along.
So, can you explain us how Autocap works specifically? You have your video, you open the app, you choose your video, and then does it work also with something like artificial intelligence to recognize the voice, or is only voice recognition?
It's voice recognition is artificial intelligent in a way, it takes out the audio from the video and it sends it to voice recognition servers, and I sync back the answer that I get from the servers to the video, so you get it synced, and basically, if the audio is good quality and there are no noises in the background, you're supposed to get something like 80 to 90% accuracy. If there are noises and the problems, then you need to expect more manual work. The idea was to do something that you can really, really quickly fix the errors of the voice recognition and do your very, very fast and accurately.
It's a perfect mobile journalism idea, because it allows you to work properly in the quickest way that you can, and using also your mobile tablets. We from the Android market and went to the iOS like you're working on in this period because of the percentage of the Android phones that are on the market, or were there some other motivations?
Well, I have to say that it was basically availability. I had an Android phone. It was easier to me to start with Android. Everybody told me that it's faster. And I don't know if it was the right decision. I started developing, I think, after 2 or 3 months. Apple released the some similarity feature in their Clips app, but you can only use it through camera. You cannot use it to a recorded file.
Yeah.
And so at the beginning,
that's the game-changing feature, because that's the thing that makes you the best application, that you can work on a recorded and finished video.
Yes, that's currently the main difference. If you ask me now if I'd started with Android, with iOS, I think I would have gone for iOS. I didn't know the difficulties. I didn't develop for mobile before that, and I didn't know the challenges that Android has. You have to support so many devices and so many different technologies that it's a big headache.
Yeah, but you didn't make a mistake, because the market, for example, in countries like Italy, is a market that has 72% of the smartphones that are outside that are Android. This is to say, the most of the users in any kind of market will target are Android users. So don't regret your choice.
I will know in a few months once I'll be out in both platforms which one is better. But I'm currently happy with my decision, and I'm moving forward on improving my app and making it to iOS as well.
Listen, Eli, would you please tell us also some information about the service and the payment? Because I saw you started with one video payment, and you went back to the monthly subscription. Will you develop an application price or an annual subscription or something like that? Can you tell us the service information? You can find it on Google, or the prices are that and that.
Yeah, for sure. Well, basically, my prices are you can use it for free with up to 5 minutes of transcription. If you have like a 7-minute video, you can add the 2 minutes manually, but we do the transcription for the first 5 minutes in the free version. And then you can get the video for free with the app mark, which is a very good for me as well, because people see my watermark and it brings me more users. Naturally, if you want to remove the watermark, and it's $1.50 or €1.50. Some countries have some different prices because of different taxes, but basically that's around the price. And for a monthly subscription, which gives you up to 10 minutes of transcription and limited number of videos without the watermark, it's $4 or €4. Again, there are some tax differences between the countries, but that's generally the thing. I will add very soon also the possibility to add your own logo and some more features for monthly subscribers. And that's it.
So you will continue with monthly subscription, not go to yearly or
well, because I'm working, I will try to refine my financial model and check maybe a yearly subscription or a premium subscription. For me, because I'm working alone on the app and now I'm working on the iOS mostly, it's very hard to focus on everything and do everything. But Definitely there will be more feature and more models.
The last question, would you agree with this forecast that we are going on the voice internet era?
Definitely. I think you see it all around, where there is cars, the numbers of people that I lately that already 30% of the searches on Google are voice searches. So definitely we're going there, and with the Internet of Things and everything, we are definitely on the road. Everything will be with voice conversations.
So thank you, Eli, back for everything. Say our warm and I hope we will meet in person, and all the best for you. And if you need help by the Mojo community, count on me, count on us, count on the Mojo days, that my format that I'm developing your captions in Facebook.
Thank you.
It was so fun to meet you, and all the best.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.